Welcome back students to Alchemy online class. We are meeting once again after the break of summer vacation. I hope that you all have enjoyed your summer vacation. You have completed and submitted your vacation homework. Now we are going to continue with our studies. We are going to start with a new chapter and I am going to show you different things which are related to this chapter. Now here I am showing you this handkerchief. This handkerchief is made from cotton. This is a bag. This bag is made from cotton too. Now as you all know that cotton is obtained from plant. Now I am showing you this another bag which is made from jute. So this jute also, as you all know that jute also obtained from the plant. This is a silk sari. As you have learnt in 7th standard that silk is obtained from the silk worm. And this is a glove, hand glove which we are wearing during the winter season. It is made from wool and this wool is the animal fiber. Silk which is obtained from silkworm and wool which is obtained from sheep or goat. These are the animal fibers. You have learnt about plant fibers in 6th standard and animal fibers in 7th standard. Now we are going to study about the fibers which are neither plant fibers nor animal fibers. These fibers are made by man in the laboratories and these fibers are known as synthetic fibers. I am going to show you different things which are made from synthetic fibers. This is a stole which is generally used by the girls or the ladies and this is made from synthetic fiber. This is the rope which is made from synthetic fiber. This is a sari which is made from synthetic fiber. So we are going to study about the synthetic fibers in detail in this chapter. So we are going to start with the new chapter, chapter number 3, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. Synthetic fibers are made from the naturally available raw materials like the coal, crude oil, natural gas, air, water, salt and limestone. These things are used for making the synthetic fibers in the industries. The industries which are associated with the production of these fibers are one of the largest industries in the world. Now these synthetic fibers, how they are made. So I am going to show you the example of this necklace. Here you can see that this necklace, in this necklace this is one single bead. This one single bead is the one unit of this necklace. When many beads are joined together with a thread, they are forming the necklace. Same way I am showing you these pins. Now when we are taking one pin, it is a single unit and you can see here, this is a single pin. Now when you are joining different pins together, it will make a chain like this. Okay, so these synthetic fibers are also the chain of the chemical substances. Here the synthetic fibers are made from the monomers. Mono means single and mer means part or unit. When many single units join or combine together and forms a chain, it is known as the polymer. This polymer is the Greek word. In Greek, this poly means many and mer means part or unit. So here polymer is made by joining the many repeating units. So synthetic fibers are the fibers which are the polymers. Polymer occurs in nature also. Cotton, for example, is a polymer of cellulose. Cellulose is made up of a large number of units of glucose. You can see here glucose, glucose, glucose. Many units of glucose unite together to form cellulose. Now we are going to study about the types of synthetic fibers. Rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. These are the different types of synthetic fibers. I repeat the examples. rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. We are going to study about the synthetic fibers in detail one by one. You have read in 7th standard that silk fiber is obtained from silkworm and it was discovered by China. But it was kept as a closely guarded secret for a longer time. This silk is liked by everyone, it is fascinated everyone in the world. So attempts were made to make silk artificially. Scientists were working on it, and at the end of 19th century, scientists were successful in making the artificial silk. This artificial silk is the rayon. This rayon is obtained by the chemical treatment of wood pulp. As it is obtained from the wood pulp, it is not the completely synthetic fiber. It is the semi-synthetic fiber. It is made by the man and it is obtained from the wood pulp. So it is a semi-synthetic fiber. This rayon is cheaper than silk, and these rayon fibers can be woven in the fabric like this silk. And these rayon fibers can be dyed with the different colors also. These rayon fibers, when they are mixed with cotton, they are used for making the bed sheets, and when it is mixed with the wool, these fibers, when they are mixed with the wool, they are used for making the carpets. This rayon is used for making the apparels like suits, ties, scarves, etc. also. This rayon is resembling the silk. It is having the property. It is not exactly same as the natural silk, but it is resembling the silk. It is cheaper than silk. It is absorbing the sweat also. So it is preferred by the people in summers also. This is the end of the today's session. We will learn about the other types of synthetic fibers in the next class. Before we end up, we will just recapitulate whatever we have learned today. Today we have learned about the synthetic fibers, which are man-made fibers and made from the raw materials like coal, crude oil, natural gas, air, water, salt and limestone. These synthetic fibers are structurally polymers. They are the long chain of the small units of chemical substances. Then we have learned about the naturally occurring polymer, that is cotton, which is made up of cellulose, and the cellulose is a polymer which is made up of large units of glucose. Then we have learned about the different types of synthetic fibers. Rayon, nylon, acrylic, polyesters are the different types of synthetic fibers. Then we learned about rayon in detail. Rayon is artificial silk and it is obtained by the chemical treatment of wood pulp. This rayon is used for making apparels like ties, then scarves, etc. And it is also used for making the bed sheets and curtains and the different items which are used for homes furnishing. This is the end of this session and we will meet once again tomorrow. Till then, be safe, be at home and keep learning. Thank you.